In the last years, I've built an amazing network with people around the globe who are generating hundreds of millions, and everyone is always asking me, how do you manage to know these people? The truth is, like, your network is your networks, which means that the people surrounding you will help you reach levels that you wouldn't even have thought possible before meeting with them. In this video, I want to show you the secret technique of show some love to get in touch with anyone on the planet. The truth is, like, most people on social network are not creators. They are consumers, which means that they are just scrolling on their feed, watching videos, and not taking any action. For example, when I'm recording a YouTube video, a few thousands of people are watching it, maybe 100 will like it, and maybe 10 people will comment. As you can see, from thousands of people watching it, the one taking actions are only a very small percentage of it. Well, that's an opportunity. And the opportunity is that whenever you see someone that you admire, whenever you have someone in your network that you would love to get in touch with because you love their content, you should always provide value and be kind first. Lead with kindness. Lead with messages of love. And to give you a few examples of what I did and how it worked, let me go back to my Twitter account. On March 28th, on Twitter, I decided to write a tweet saying, let's give a shout out to fellow bootstrappers who are killing it. I will start. Shout out to Justin Sass for helping thousands of creators building their audience online. Who do you want to give a shout out to? And then Justin Welsh, who is a very famous entrepreneur who generated millions of dollars online by being a solo founder, actually replied to me, well, shit man, thank you, I'm honored. By just, like showcasing some love because I appreciate his work, I think he's dedicated, and I think he's bringing tons of value to millions of people out there, Justin decided to reply. But that's not it. Very quickly after, Justin messaged me privately, telling me, thanks for writing that nice note on Twitter. I've been having a really shit day and that turned it right around. Appreciate you. Like these simple things of showcasing love can sometimes help you build a true emotional relationship with someone that you've never met before. Because the truth is, like, as creators, as people putting our work out there, we always receive comments of haters, on top of having like a business to handle and all the shit that goes with it. So receiving love message or support message are actually super helpful as a creator to continue and get tons of energy from our audience. And by leveraging this, as you can see, it was easy for me to start building this relationship and connecting. A few months later, Justin was actually on the show with me. And as you can see, this relationship led to Justin following me and me starting to work much more closely with him and getting in touch with him and asking him for advice from time to time. So you might be telling yourself, okay, that's 1 in a million. But the truth is, like, it works all the time. And it doesn't have to be like a shout out to someone. Sometimes it's just about engaging with someone's content. For example, I admire a lot what Andrew accomplished with MicroAcquire. I think what he did to the market and his product and what he's selling is really, really cool. So every time he's posting content on Twitter, I love to engage with it when I think that it's relevant. Step by step, after engaging a lot on his content, Andrew started following me, and on top of it, he also started to show some love to some of my tweets. By doing that, I was able to hop on a call with Andrew and therefore be able to having on the podcast. Simple things, showing some love to people, showcasing why you value their work, and then later on trying to build relationship by also providing value is the easiest way to build your network. The conclusion is that you don't need a fancy degree, you don't need to come from money. All you need to build an awesome network is just about showing some love. The truth is, like, you never know. Building relationships can take time, and the bigger the audience of the person you reach out to, the more that person might be crowded and overflowed with messages, so they might never see what you say. Doing public shout out is also a great way for you to get traction because you associate your name with the name of the person you're mentioning. Have you ever done this technique to reach out to people and get in touch with them? Let me know in the comments.